Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp business. Having opened up your WhatsApp business, next thing you need to do is to simply select a chat. Having selected a chat, tap on here and this is going to pop up. If you do not have this type of keyboard, what you need to do is to make sure you download and install Google Keyboard. This is very much comfortable and easy on Google Keyboard. And if you are using Android phone, for you to get Google Keyboard, what you need to do is to go ahead and go to your Play Store. So if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and come to search. Then come to search apps and games. Then type in Gboard. So it's also known as Gboard. So make sure you download and install it on your phone. So this is the keyboard I'm using to translate right here. So let's go back to my WhatsApp right here. So what we want to do here now is to click on this first square, then head over to translate. Then right here, you can choose your language right here. So choose your detected language right here. So your detected language can be any one from these sections right here. Scroll down and choose your preferred detected language right here. Then have to come right here and make sure you choose the language you want to translate into, just like what you see from the headline right here. So I can decide to translate to Arabic. So here we can simply say hello. Hello, my friend. So while you type, it automatically converts to your preferred language. Once you are done, click on this check mark right here. Then you can easily send the chat to the person you are chatting with on WhatsApp. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your WhatsApp language translation, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.